Well, I am back, and episode 5 is about to come out, and I haven't watched episode 4 yet, so I'm going to watch both right now. I'm probably going to be doing multiple episodes in one video and post it on YouTube and on Patreon at once, so you just get like a dopamine shot of more videos, more episodes, you know? I'm going to probably do maybe 2 episodes or 3 episodes for you at once. There's a playlist on my channel where I posted episode 1, 2, and 3 in one video, so be sure to check it out. But this is a crazy show. This on some other shit, honestly. Dude, have we seen something like this? Probably not. I've never seen someone that probably Rona Azura wants to be like one day, honestly. He probably wants to become his swords, just like Chainsaw Man became the chainsaw. I don't know, man. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, ew. She chops up the head. Wait, why do I gotta see this? Ew. Well, why don't you eat the head? I don't know. What the hell is that? Because you have an attachment to something for once. But it, you know, you could like something else too. Oh my gosh, she's with the cat and she's holding the cage. Still not free. There we go. Oh, wait, why is this kind of cute, but like also low-key disgusting? The way he looks at her, so... Because he wanted to touch... Yeah, there we go. Is she gonna let him? Go ahead. Are we gonna see it? Oh, he's like preparing himself. He's like mentally preparing. Can he do it? God damn! Why you gotta do this to me? It's too early in the morning for this. Oh god damn. What did I expect? Oh, why is he still alive? Ew, what is that? Ew, ew, ew. Did he really just lose an arm? He can grow it back, right? I think. The levels of disgust right now. It's really good. Bro, the way he's looking, I don't blame him. God damn, just when he was about to bring, he lost his hand. Oh, shoot. It runs on blood? What? How do you even see? Yo, I love this guy. He didn't even say anything. Ooh. He's not even scared. Or maybe he is, but goddamn. Wait, are those tits? Wait, he might be able to... Are those udders? Like, what is that? What the hell? God damn, freaking Stitch up in here. It's gone. Is this what Lilo turned into? God damn. And what's your dream? He's like, why is it foolish? No, I am serious. You guys aren't taking my dream seriously. Damn, he is so freaking cool. He's so fearless. He has nothing to lose. That's right. He has nothing to lose. Facts, you're right. I kind of am. Maybe. I'll murderize you. have to have udders though. Ew, the way the freaking like udders are moving. Oh, he's gonna wrap it around. Yo, Denji on some other shit. The logic, I love it. I love it. I didn't expect much from you, but damn. Wow. What is going on? Guys, what was that? Is he okay? Is he becoming delusional? Did he lose that much blood? Or is this like second form? Or is this normal? There we go. It's not gonna do much. Damn. Ew. What the hell? How is he gonna survive that? Holy shit, he lost so much blood. Holy sh- Ew, that's so gross. I'm so... Aki? My boy. My boy! I love you. And what the hell, dog? What? That was my boy Aki? Oh, yes. Good. Ooh, look how cool they are. The girl, is she admiring that? She likes blood? Oh, she's scared? What is up with her? What is up with Denji and his eye that popped out? I mean, it's a good thing. Apples! Is he gonna feed him? Please. Please feed him. He's cutting apple peels. Ow. That's like a familiar or something. Right. Yeah, but like at the same time... At the same time, it's still a devil, right? Maybe he'll have a change of heart. Maybe all devils, even though the most disgusting out of all of them, actually, I cannot believe those disgusting ones can have a change of heart. But I was about to say, this reminds me of Demon Slayer, goddamn. He's like, nah, you're mine. Oh shit, I really need to listen to this, I'm sorry. I'm so distracted with the apples. It's kind of like, you know, pochta. The look in his eyes. Really? Oh, that's right. He's also saving humans. That's what I'm saying. He said he doesn't care, but he does. I feel you. What? That is what? Oh, interesting. That actually makes a lot of sense. He grew up having to freaking just like kill all the devils and like, you know, the people who were like, I don't know, like he was never raised by anyone who taught him what to do and what is right and what is wrong. I mean, look at the way he's freaking living and the freaking jams that were combined. Okay, I know a lot of people were on to me, you know, that he doesn't know any better, but like I couldn't I get it. So that's actually interesting. He's gonna like raise him unless Denji does know like a little bit. I don't know. If this will make me follow my dream. The way he sniffed it. Yeah? Do you believe that, Aki? Do you trust him? I'll think about it. We'll see. There's gonna be so much character progression with Denji. She's part of the team. Hmm. He's gonna see Makima. What is Makima gonna say? I don't know. There's something up. Stitch.
デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。
Gun flesh.
デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだ。
Without anyone noticing?
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
上位だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Aki is getting a little soft, huh? Makima realizing that?
わかりました。
では、失礼します。
早川君も少し頭
I knew it! I knew it!
デンジ君と一緒に住んで
She knows. I knew I couldn't trust Makima.
何も変わってないですよ。俺は。
Yeah? Makima knows. You ain't fooling anyone, Aki. Oh my gosh, his hair is down. Let me see, let me see. I want to see a closer shot. Oh, damn. There's just like glimpses of him. Yes. Yes. I will watch him brush his teeth all day. Oh my gosh, what is he gonna do now? You gotta go to work. Why do you tie it like that though, Loki? He's like a perfectionist. It's very interesting. I don't know. But I love how patient he is. Damn, even his onion slices are perfect. You'll see. Ooh! That's so scary. I'm like freaking out. Like, what? What is that? It's power. It's power. Here she is. 76.1. Is that a radio station? Really? Oh, the chaos. Oh no! Power's even worse. Oh, poor Aki. It's gonna make things very interesting though. Yeah, okay. What's her definition of behaving? What? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Bruh, like he never had any food, bruh. Like, damn, the difference. Bro, she's worse than Denji. These are the things that Denji always wanted to do, and she takes like advantage, like not advantage of. She takes it for granted. The differences. That's so crazy, and I thought Denji was bad. I love the facial expressions. Like, the way they're animating them is so beautifully done. Repulsive, huh? Okay, I can't be mad at you, huh? Oh, there we go, there we go. Is he go? What's he waiting for? Oh god. Music is starting. This is like... This is really the beginning of a hentai scene. You can't tell me otherwise. Okay. Okay. One for the rescue of me.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Is it going to happen? Is it gonna switch to the next scene? It's the end of the episode? That was so fast! Damn, they really did you guys dirty. Well, I'm glad I got to get to watch episode 5 soon. I think it's out already. So a lot happened in episode 4, which is interesting. And now Power is going to live with them. I thought that Makima was going to get attached to them, but it looks like it's different. It looks like Aki will. Aki is a little bit more emotional, and it looks like he's going to get attached, especially with them living with each other. 100%. Like he'd like take a bullet. Like he'd die for them almost. Like there's gonna be like a really emotional scene probably. Like yeah, like they're gonna be like the bestest brothers. They're gonna be the best duo. This is gonna be like Team 7. Watch. If only but it's like not like, you know, he's almost like the leader of the group though. This is interesting. I love it. I can't believe Power is like basically worse than Denji. No, I appreciate Denji now though. Like he definitely does, you know, he lived at its worst, which is funny because Power lived, well actually no, like she looked like scrawny and everything. Like she didn't have a lot of food. She lived dirty her whole life. But like she was happy with that. She was almost like content with it, if anything. Except Denji was not content with it and he wanted to have more. So Power had true happiness, living her life, you know, frolicking around almost like feral and just like, you know, eating what she wants, you know, sucking the blood, cutting animals' heads and then sucking the blood out of their body. Yeah, cool. She loved Meowie, which was like a little bit of, a little bit different. Like it was something that she never thought that she would have an attachment to, and something that she still doesn't understand to this day. Like why does she care for it? Which is really interesting. Like Denji knows. Like Denji did care about Pochita, because he never had a friend or somebody to like be. That was the only person he had, and they did everything together. So he understands that. But it's interesting that he doesn't like look to get more friends or anything. It's interesting. He just, you know, has his dream. He wants a girlfriend, not necessarily a friend. Maybe that will change because Aki's gonna be his best friend. I don't know actually. It's interesting to see their character progression. I like it a lot. Denji is going to have so much character progression. Power will too though. Maybe not actually, because she seems content. But yeah, I really appreciate Denji now. And I'm really curious to see how his character is going to progress. And I still love my boy Aki. He saved the day. Freaking Denji was so cool in that fight. Oh, it was so cool. It was so gross seeing what was happening. But he was killer. Like, he was killing it. Like, he was doing an amazing ass job. Like, seriously, like he's not scared. And I think the reason why he's not scared is, yeah, he's taking it seriously. He's trying to get his dream. But, like, at the same time, he doesn't have much to lose. That's the only, like, thing in my head of like he never had his dream. Yeah, he still hasn't had his dream, right? So yeah, he may be losing his dream, but he never obtained it yet, so he still has nothing to lose, technically, is my understanding of it. Like, he already lost Pochita, kinda. He does have things to lose, but that's my understanding of why he doesn't fear things the way he is. It's really cool, like, because he just like goes at it. I don't know. I guess we'll have to find out, but now we're going to be starting episode 5. I just watched episode 4 and now I'm watching episode 5, and I'm glad I get to watch them together because they ended off with a crazy cliffhanger. I bet we're not going to even start off with the scene we left off on. They like to play with our emotions, huh? Alright, well, if you could do me a favor and like this video so we could boost that algorithm. Thanks, guys. So let's start. Gun Devil.
Only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion.
Bitch, I'm grown, okay? Oh, we did start off with that. If they're gonna cut off to a scene, did she fall asleep? How long has this been going on for? She's like at peace. Okay. There we go, finally. Are they fake?
これは
Are they does she have none? Okay. Is there gonna be another one? Wait, what? Where is the subtitles? He's like, I can't tell. What are you thinking, Denji? What are you thinking? Was it great? Was it? I don't know.
いろいろ言いたいことあるけどあれ
ウヌラの仕事手伝ってやるわ。改めてよろしくな。
こんなもん
Yep. So what's your next stream? Is your dream crushed? It wasn't what you what you wanted? He's crushed. So he has like no motivation now? Like what's his next stream gonna be? I'm really glad he actually said that's it, honestly. This means there's gonna be a lot of character progression with him. I really hope actually. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Oh damn, my dude. Uh-oh. Makima, you have to change his motivation now.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです
Mm-hmm. And it wasn't all that you thought it was gonna be, huh?
掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことない
Okay.
もしかしたらこれから俺がまた何か違うもんを追いかけて掴んだ時も追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃない
Oh, interesting. You know? It's like it's about the journey, not the destination. But that's interesting. You did get a lot compared to the life you had before. Your dreams before were to eat bread with jam. And you definitely accomplished that dream. Like, you seem pretty
そうじゃ
happy.
ないですか
Maybe you don't need dreams.
は何の話をしているの？
Just
初
speak.
めてメロン
Okay,
を
yeah.
見たら大したことなかった
Come on, Makima. What are you gonna say? Oh, shit.
デンジ君、
What the
エ
F?
ッチなことはね。
Oh,
相手のことを理解すればするほど
no!
気持ちよくなる。
Oh my god, Makima knows exactly what to say to him. Oh my god, do you see that creepy eye look? The look in her eyes.
してみて。
Oh, dude.
指の長さはどれくらい？
The next stream. Makima, I don't trust.
ことはある？
かま
覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなってもわかるか？
Wow.
覚えて。
覚え
Oh, he's down bad now. My goodness. Oh. What? What? Are you scared now? Wait, was it like better than you could ever imagine? Yo, your heart hurts? Like, what is...
お願いがあるんだけど。いいかな？
No. Don't do it, Denji. No, don't do it.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔
God damn.
13年前
You're just a tool, bruh.
は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも
You're quite interesting, as she said before.
もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら
I'll reward you.
私が君の願い事
No
何でも一
way.
つ叶え
Are you for real?
銃の悪魔を殺せたらマキマさんが俺の願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげる例えば
何でもだよデンジ君
She said anything.
すげえなことあってもいいんですか
You could die.
悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたんだメディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかなアメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったのその日に銃の悪魔が現れた
What the hell?
なったあたりかな
Wait, this is like way too real.
で儲けようとしてた時期に銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたの
Uh-huh.
メディアも活発なニュースを取り上げ、銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。
But that didn't have to do with
その日に
guns.
銃の悪魔が
Wow. That's Aki? Oh my gosh. Are you telling me Aki's family died like during 9/11? Like wait, and the gun devil killed him?
一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのいつもだろ。太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。
お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊びなさい。
Which one's Aki? That one's Aki? The sick one?
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊び
Of
たい。
course he does. Oh god, it's snowing? Bruh. And why are you walking so far? Why are you No, seriously, why are you guys walking so far? This doesn't look that like too much of a good idea. What? You asked him to play. What the frick?
ついてくんなよ。
What? Why? I'm like, why?
俺は
The parents have all of their attention on the younger brother. Both of them just want attention, but from different people. Oh no, he's gonna get pissed. Yo, careful. Don't. No, he's gonna like hurt him. Like his strength. Oh wait, chill.
やめろって言ってるだろ。
Look at the signs, the body language. It's not gonna be good. This is like what happened with Elsa and Anna and Frozen. I don't know. The brother is gonna like faint or something. He's too sick.
からグローブ取ってこい。
Go with him. What is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm beyond confused right now. What is up? What in the mother frickin' world was that?
短弱で120万人を殺した後、銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。その後、悪魔そのものに対する恐怖が高まって
I watched that whole entire interaction to see that.
全ての悪魔が以前よりも力が強くなったの。基本厳罰化、事件、災害などの報道が規制されるようになった。
なんかよく
He's like, why should I care?
なんかよくわからないくらい強いや。
デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
まあ、
Fight guns with chainsaws? Maybe.
俺がすっげえドカンと頑張ればいいでしょ。
I knew I could count on you.
銃の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。
Mm-hmm.
どうやってそいつは見つけるんです？
これは集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。悪魔がこの肉片
Oh
を
my gosh,
銃
ew.
の悪魔の力で
Oh
どんな
wow.
悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら、
Ew, but why it looks like all veiny? Why do the bullets look like they got veins? Like oh, it's like a jelly?
悪魔の力
Why is it
ど
sticky?
んな悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら、
What is that? Oh, they do stick together.
草になれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。
Wow.
だからこの肉片をもっと多く
Wow. Okay, so this is like a scavenger hunt.
たどり着く。
Oh, I see you. Damn. Oh, a pregnant one, bruh?
悪魔は全部殺す。その
Damn.
やつがいる。
That devil just like blew his house away and his whole. God damn.
ホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれは。
Wow.
悪魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。銃の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの？
Maybe.
肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せられる。
True.
この程度じゃ違う。
Okay, I got you.
そうなんだ。
いいのそれ。わしによこせ。
お前ら敬語はどうした？
Wow. Oh yeah, they're much too casual.
何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Gum? Oh, that's how he freaking controls them gum. I love it. I feel you. It's like a high school student.
畜生みたいな扱いじゃな。
お前らに人権はない。
Damn.
ちゃ切れてんじゃん。
No
朝のあれの
rights.
せいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
Wait, what was the prank again? Why do I forget?
めっちゃ切れてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがに。
Yo, I love how like both of them are like together. They're in on it.
何があったの？
What happened?
厳しくしてばっかじゃかわいそうだよ。
He's not. He gave him gum.
私がほっぺにキスしてあげま
Did Did Makima tell?
そんなこと、そんな
Oh, he likes her.
結婚前の乙女がそんな身だらな。
Cause she's like the leader, right? Or like she's seniority, they said, which is interesting. Did Makima tell her that he's motivated like that? But then again, it's like, you know, she probably could tell Denji's pretty easy.
大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
Oh my gosh!
初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。
Denji! Now he's like loyal. That's crazy. Oh no, I don't think you should be waiting on Makima. I'm sorry. She's taking advantage of you, Denji. The mount. Oh.
大丈夫。やる気はあっから。俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしねえ。
Aki.
デンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロを入れたキスしてあげる。
Oh, that changes stuff? It changes everything. He's like feral. So easy. You know.
アキ君は死なないでね。
They could easily die too, no matter how strong they are. That's a good point. That's interesting. I swear if my boy Aki dies on me. I don't know if I could handle it. I really don't. Who the hell is this guy?
そう。も
I think so.
私のバディ。
Oh wow.
全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
Damn. Don't be useless.
アキ君は死なないでね。
Wow. That flashback. Hi. How are you?
捕まえた。
Nice to meet you. Girlfriend, how are you gonna survive? She's much too scared.
私のゴースト。
Wow.
力持ちで便利でしょ。どうアキ君？銃野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。
Uh-huh.
こいつじゃないです。
制御するためじゃろ。力を知ってた方が連携取れやすいですよ。
Yeah, true.
リフダは隠してるからオッケーオッケー。
Yeah, okay.
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を。
Wow. That's a crazy power. Wow, that's great. Oh my gosh, and we don't even see it. Wait, that is so crazy. Denji. He's there. Somebody's behind them. Somebody's up there. Somebody's out. Somebody's here.
もう少し静かに。
From the blood? What? They not. Is it supposed to go away? Disappear?
どうした？
What?
俺たち今8階から。
Oh yeah. I thought maybe they went down. That's. Like, I thought they went down again or something like that.
8階ですよ。
What?
見間違いじゃねえの？
違う。何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
You shouldn't go alone. Wow, that's crazy. A never-ending staircase. That...
新井君、今は
Yeah.
階段降りていった。
Yeah. Jump out the window. Girlfriend. She's probably gonna be the most OP one out of everyone, though. Is that a urinal with a horse riding? What is this? Look at how scared she is, but watch, she's gonna kick ass. Wow, the staircase. Wow. Hey, Denji. No, don't go away. Whoa. Okay, so Denji finally was able to touch a boob. Whoa, it happened. It happened, but it wasn't really that exciting. Well, that's crazy, huh? Wow. But now he has another motivation, and Makima, we know, like, she cannot be trusted. She is not somebody who's going to get emotionally involved. She does not really care for Denji. She just sees him as a tool. She's like really like OP. She's not emotional. Like she's completely logical. I think, at least. She's very calculated, 100%. I don't trust her for a damn second. Okay? If Denji were to die in the process, I don't even think she would blink an eye. I don't know. That's my thought process now. But Aki, on the other hand, definitely will be attached. That's my guess. I don't trust Makima. Makima is too freaking weird, and she knows exactly what to say to take advantage of our boy Denji. Yeah, because he's like much too easy. Much too easy, and she knows it. And she's taking advantage of that very clearly. How long is it going to take to destroy this gun devil, though? Right? And what's his motivation going to be? Because I don't think the gun devil's there, right? Like, the actual gun devil, because the attraction to the bullet wasn't really there, as they said. So I think it's going to take a long time for them to actually destroy the gun devil, unless I'm wrong. Who knows? I might be wrong. It makes more sense that it would be more prolonged, because if Denji were to just have sex with Makima, what else is he going to? I mean, to do it again, I guess. That's the only thing I could think of, I guess. I don't know. He realizes that, like, when he has an actual connection with someone, when it's with somebody that he really likes, it's way different. It's so much better, stuff like that. He realizes that. He learned that. And Denji has a lot to learn. So does Power, but it's interesting how their dynamics are. But I love my boy Aki. I'm starting to still love my boy Aki more, even though, damn, what happened with his family and like the way he was treating his brother and like everything that was happening was so crazy. The way his family died, like, goddamn, like he has to think of like, yeah, he killed his brother. I mean, like there has to be a little bit of guilt in him. Yeah, it was the devil, like 100%. But like there has to be a little bit of guilt in him because he told his brother to go back home. And it's not like I actually blame him. No, it wasn't his fault at all. But I think Aki has a little bit of blame in him. And like maybe like we'll see a scene of like Denji about to like enter a house or something like that, and like Aki scared that the same thing will happen or something like that. I don't know, actually. We'll have to see, but this is an interesting freaking show, and I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it. There's gonna be so much character progression with Denji specifically, and I'm really excited to see it. So if you could do me a favor and like this video so we could boost that algorithm, I would super appreciate that, so I could do more of the show, you know what I mean? I wasn't sure if I was going to continue doing reactions on it, but I'm actually really liking it. So if you could still do me a favor and like this video, more likes, and I will do more reactions to it. I will probably do 2 or 3 episodes in one video, kind of like this one, kind of like last video, and the full version is on Patreon. So be sure to check it out, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope y'all freaking enjoyed.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the